Oh my goodness, I just love the way this bread turned out. Every side you squeeze, it just soft and it tastes really good. Take a walk over to my kitchen to learn how you can make this nice fluffy bread. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload. And a big shout out to all my subscribers, all my faithful supporters. Thank you so much for being there. Now that the butter has blended properly into the flour, we are going to knead it into a dough. So here my daughter is helping me to knead the flour, and she's pouring a little bit of water at a time. You don't want to pour too much water. You want to pour a small amount, and as you pour, you knead the flour in that water. Sprinkle your counter lightly. We are going to add the dough, and we are going to use some force into this dough. The texture of the bread comes from proper kneading, so we want to make sure we knead our dough properly. It may take you about 8 to 10 minutes, and you want to use heavy force along the way to press into that dough so we can have a nice bread texture. Now that our dough is kneaded, we are going to leave it in the bowl, cover it, leave it in a warm area, leave it double to its size for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then we are going to knead it again before we add it to our baking pan. At this point, we only want to knead it for a few minutes. You see how lovely the dough look? Look at the texture, looking all smooth and nice. This is the beginning of our tasty Ardo bread. Make sure your baking pan is properly greased. In that way, your bread will not stick at the bottom. After placing the dough into the pan, we are going to allow it to rise again for a next half an hour before we insert it into a preheated oven on 165 degrees Celsius. This is what our dough looked like after 30 minutes, and it's time to insert our dough into the oven to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. And here we have a beautiful bread. Look at that. You want to carefully follow the measurement to get a proper tasty bread. You don't want to add too much yeast. If you add too much yeast, your bread is going to rise too much and it's going to have a sour taste. We have a lovely loaf of bread right here. Perfect. Soft. Check this out, guys. All side is bouncing. Wow. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and cut a slice of our bread to see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Look how soft that slice is. Beautiful. What did you eat with this bread now, guys? Drop a comment below and let me know. What do you enjoy with hard-dough bread? What would you enjoy with this nice homemade loaf of bread? And I want you to go ahead, don't be afraid to try this recipe out. It's a little, in the kneading of the dough, it's a little hard work, but it's worth it, guys. Go ahead and make your bread. Enjoy your homemade bread, guys. So if you enjoy my recipe, go ahead and give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy my video, subscribe to my channel, and there, check out the link below for this Easter bun, guys. Also, thanks so much for watching.